Below the surface of the soil, an invisible civilization operates. Millions of tiny creatures work together in perfect order. They are the red ants. A single ant is only a few millimeters long, yet together they form a highly organized society. A hill of pine needles and twigs is not just a pile, it is a living city. The worker ants are constantly on the move. Some gather food, others care for their offspring. Still others build and repair the structure of the colony. Each individual is part of a larger system. Their communication is silent, yet extremely precise. They guide each other with chemical signals. A single scent trail is enough for thousands of ants to follow the same path. This collective action makes them efficient. Red ants play a key role in the ecosystem. They collect thousands of insects every day. They regulate the population of other species. A large colony can consume millions of insects per year. In this way, they become invisible regulators of nature. But the colony is constantly under threat. When an intruder appears, the response is immediate. The ants attack. Their powerful jaws grab the enemy. Then they release an acid spray. This simple yet effective defense protects the community. The world of red ants is tiny, but extremely complex. A system where millions of individuals serve a single purpose: survival. All of this is almost invisible at ground level. But if we look closer, an ancient, perfectly functioning empire unfolds before us. Silently, continuously, unstoppable.